how to buy JetFuel token. So this token came under the symbol of JTF. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is the referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards with crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. And as you can see, this token, it will be listed on MEXC. So I will show you how to buy this token. Now, first of all, open your MEXC account like that. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link on create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now, type the token name. It will be JTF, as you can see. Now, click on this pair. After you click on it, wait a few seconds to load this page. Now this token will be available for trade by 7 hours from now. Now after that date, click on limit here and you can here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see the total that you will be paying by using your USDT on account, and click on buy JTF. Now if you select the market, just drag this to see how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy a JTF token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.